Aloha, this is Doña, your ukelista who brews you some nice, sweet and tasty ukulele tutorials. Well, what I've done today is the combination of the last tutorials of free play, the Rhumba Flamenco Strum and the classical E minor scale and the classical Spanish chord progression. So let myself zoom in. Here we go. So the intro was like the classical E minor scale. It's E, F sharp, G, A, B, C, D, E, E, D, C, B, A, G, F sharp, E. And this is the classical minor formula: root, tone, semitone, tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone. So if you don't know this anymore, check out the first tutorials about baritone. I think I put the link up here, and you can study the Formular thing. So you can do whatever you want, running down. The E minor scale, or do triplet strums, whatever you want. And then I've done like a classical progression. You can play in the lower layers. Up here it was E minor, B7, A minor, E minor, C6 and B7. You can also play it here at the 5th fret, E minor, 5, 4, 0, 0, B7, 4 barred and the 1st string of the 5th fret. Then you move up and play the A minor, bar the 5th fret and play the 4th string on the 7th. Then you go back to E minor again. C6 is pretty easy, 5th fret, and B7, 4th fret and 5th. Okay, so I started the regular Rhumba Flamenco Strum, down, up with the thumb, mute, up, flex, up. Oops, sorry, I was straining. Again, down, up, mute, up. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Otherwise, repeat it with my Rhumba Flamenco Strum tutorial. So with the combination of E minor, B7, A minor, E minor, C6, B7, you can play strum and combine it with the E minor scale. Played the E minor chord and started with E and was using the keys of the scale and did a free play. And then you can proceed. I hopped over the B7 chord and played the A minor chord and started to play around the A. But you can do it different. So if you play the B7, you can play around the B7 chord. So feel free, whatever your belongings are, just use the progression, or you can play the C6 chord and play something around the C. So I want you that you force yourself to combine the chords you learned, the scale you learned, the strumming pattern you learned, to improvise and to create your own style and play. Whatever you want, or if you want to change the strumming pattern like I did and to move with movable chords, feel free, whatever you prefer. So what I try to teach you, not to copy me, please make your own strategy and build your own chord progression and scale and build up your own creativity. So use the things I showed you, because I was just improvising during that video, having a new ukulele to figure it out if I like it or not, or if I buy it or not. And definitely I have to restring it, but this is not your problem at the moment. But you see, I put you with me on my journey and to figure out how you like an instrument and improvise on it before you play songs you were familiar with. I hope you loved that video. Next week we go ahead with another stupid or crazy and incredible things. We can learn nothing is stupid. I was just joking. And create your own melody, your own spirit, and have fun and enjoy the happiest instrument of the world, the ukulele. I love you. See you for the next tutorial. Doña.